guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. It's me, Petit, ang inyong tita. Happy birthday, guys, to hit that subscribe button, like button for more video. Thank you for the support guys and really appreciate it. Kumusta guys? How are you? It's been a long time ago na hindi tayo nagkita-kita dito sa aking channel. And I'm back talaga guys. At nagbibideo sa labas later. Actually, pangalawang labas ko na to guys since na dumating ako dito. Kasi lumabas kami kagabi, hindi ako nakapag-video ng marami sa labas kasi namamadali kami dito sa harapan. Maraming snow. At doon sa binuntahan namin kagabi, may video ako pero madilim kasi gabi na. Around 7, I think is past 7 na kaya hindi maganda ang video. Pero actually, maglalagay ako ng clips kay kung saan kami gumala kagabi. Kaya see you later. So, saan kami pupunta mamaya ng asawa ko? Happy New Year pala guys. I know in the Philippines nagpre-prepare na for New Year, but here guys I think we cook later the big I think ham or lamb because my mother-in-law is already cooked upstairs. She already put in the what do you call this, a steamer, something like that. Yes, and we're planning to go outside later. Actually guys, andito na tayo sa Canada, kaya malamig ang panahon, kaya nag-i-snow na ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon. Kaya hopefully guys, follow me, share, like and subscribe. Amen. Guys, it's a lot of snow. Snow. We're done in the grocery guys. We bought some foods and we walk here and a lot of snow here. Oh, look at that guys, the white one. It's look like cotton candy. What do you think guys? This is not cold. This
always
is
watch him.
Not cold or not very cold. Please Bernadette Poirier.
Yeah.
Poirier, my dad. What does it mean, Poirier, my dad?
Poirier is the last name.
Oh, okay. I think supposed to be that's my name, Bernadette. My dad.
Yes, baby.
His kids only. Can I jump there? Oh, this is The place that you took to picture, madam.
Yeah, there's a church. That's a church.
Yeah. This is the church, guys. Da-da-da-dum. Look at that, guys. It's look like a tree. It's a lot of snow, guys. Look at the snow, guys. I think my dog is closed.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's closed. It's not the cement, my dog. It's a wood.
Yeah,
Right?
with woods and.
It's a wood. Look at the snow, guys. Oh, it's like a mountain. It's like a mountain here. It's a mountain here. Where is the entrance, madam?
Hmm?
A la memorer de victims de la de Babontement Etibon Hanko.
It basically says to the memory of the victim of the abortions
Yeah.
and euthanasia.
Ah, okay.
That's in French.
Laboratament is abortion.
Yeah, because it's a French part of Winnipeg here.
Yes, madam.
Saint Boniface.
Yeah.
This is Saint Boniface.
Yeah.
That's why it was saying in French.
Yeah.
Look at that. They even have.
Paraguaya in Nostra Senora de la Asunción, Roman Catholic Church,
in
200
Spanish.
Kennedy Street. Yeah. Misas in Spanish, 7 p.m. Domingos, 11 a.m. Ah, okay. That's the signboard, guys. Almost no here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So Enfield, my dad, you cross this way or this way? This way? The Enfield here.
What's that?
The Enfield here. Going there. Or
Yeah,
going there.
sometimes I take the bus right there. Look at this.
Yeah.
I take the bus right there,
Yeah.
but I mostly take number 10.
Yeah. Wait, guys. So hey guys, welcome back. Ang lamig kanina, guys, kaya dito muna tayo sa loob kasi may heater dito. And if you enjoyed watching the video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And please click the notification bell for more video. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year, everyone. Pasensya na po sa ating update na video kasi ano lang siya, konti lang siya or maikli lang siya. See you, everyone.